Another day, another English lesson.
WH word plus ever.
Have you noticed words like whoever, whatever, whichever, wherever, whenever, and however in English? These words are a special group because they combine a question word, or WH word, with ever, creating a flexible form that can refer to any person, thing, place, time, or way of doing something. They allow English speakers to talk about general possibilities, choices, or situations without naming anything specific. Let's look at the most common ones. Whoever, any person. Example, whoever wants to join the game is welcome. Any person who wants to join can come. Whatever, anything or action. Example, take whatever you need. Anything that you need is fine. Whichever, any choice among a set. Example, choose whichever color you like. You can pick any color from the available options. Wherever, any place. Example, sit wherever you want. You can sit in any place you like. Whenever, anytime. Example, call me whenever you are free. You can call at any time that is convenient for you. However, any manner or way. Example, however you do it, make sure it is safe. In any way you do it, it must be safe. Key points to remember. The WH-ever words are often general and non-specific. They can refer to people, things, choices, places, times, or manners. They make English more flexible and natural, allowing you to describe unlimited possibilities or options. These words are everywhere in English, from casual conversation to formal writing, and understanding them can help you sound more confident and natural when you talk or write. Now, watch and complete the sentences with the correct WH-ever word. One, take whatever you want from the bowl, but don't waste anything. 2, call me whenever you need help and I'll answer. 3, whoever finishes first will get a special prize. 4, you are welcome to stay wherever you feel comfortable in the house. 6, however you arrange the books on the shelf, they will fit. 7, I will support you in whatever decision you make. 8, whoever left this note should explain what it means. 9, however you mix the ingredients, the dough will rise the same way. 10. You can sit in whichever chair you like. They are all free. "11. We can meet whenever you have time this week. "12. I will follow you wherever you go, so I don't get lost." Thank you for watching this worldwide ELT language learning video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell icon for notifications.